Floating 460 miles above Earth, two figures emerge from a sleek spacecraft. Their heartbeats quicken as they take in the breathtaking view of our blue marble below. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. On September 12th, 2024, history was made as the first ever commercial spacewalk took place during SpaceX's Polaris Dawn mission. Imagine being one of those astronauts, the adrenaline surging through your veins as you step into the void, knowing you're about to change the course of human exploration forever. Today, we're taking you on a journey through this groundbreaking mission that's reshaping our future in space. From record-breaking altitudes to cutting-edge technology, Polaris Dawn has opened up a new frontier for civilian space travel. But before we dive deeper, if you're ready to explore the cosmos with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss our upcoming videos on the latest space adventures. Now let's blast off into the details of this incredible mission. The Polaris Dawn crew, led by Commander Jared Isaacman, launched on September 10th, 2024. Their mission, to push the boundaries of private space exploration further than ever before, and push they did. For 5 exhilarating days, these 4 civilian astronauts orbited Earth at altitudes reaching a mind-blowing 870 miles, higher than any crewed mission since the Apollo era. But the real showstopper came on day 3. Picture this. The Crew Dragon capsule's hatch slowly opens, revealing the vast expanse of space. Jared Isaacman, heart racing, becomes the first to partially exit the spacecraft. He's followed closely by Sarah Gillis. Together, they make history as the first commercial astronauts to conduct a spacewalk. For 30 intense minutes, Isaacman and Gillis tested their specially designed spacesuits, performing mobility checks in the harsh vacuum of space. Can you imagine the mix of excitement and focus they must have felt? Every movement calculated, every breath precious. But this wasn't just a joyride in space. The Polaris Dawn crew had serious work to do. They conducted nearly 40 scientific experiments, gathering crucial data that could pave the way for future long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. Let's talk about those spacesuits for a moment. These weren't your grandpa's bulky moon suits. SpaceX developed lightweight, flexible EVA suits specifically for this mission. They even featured advanced heads-up displays. Talk about space-age tech. But the innovations didn't stop there. The mission also tested cutting-edge laser communication systems linked to SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Imagine FaceTiming from space with crystal-clear connection. We're getting there. After 5 days of pushing boundaries and setting records, the Polaris Dawn crew made a triumphant splash down in the Gulf of Mexico on September 15th. Their safe return marked not just the end of a mission, but the beginning of a new era in space exploration. So, what does all this mean for us Earthlings? Well, the success of Polaris Dawn proves that space is no longer the exclusive playground of government agencies. Private citizens, people like you and me, now have a shot at reaching for the stars. This mission has opened up a universe of possibilities. Will we see space tourism become as common as international flights? Could private research stations orbiting Earth accelerate scientific discoveries? The potential is limitless. But let's break it down further. Why is this mission so significant? First, it demonstrates the rapid advancement of private space technology. SpaceX, in just a few short years, has gone from launching cargo to sending civilians on spacewalks. That's a quantum leap in capability. Second, it's changing the economics of space exploration. Private missions like Polaris Dawn are proving that space ventures can be commercially viable. This could lead to increased investment and innovation in the space sector. Third, it's inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts. Kids watching this mission unfold might now dream of becoming not just astronauts, but space entrepreneurs or engineers designing the next generation of spacecraft. And let's not forget the scientific impact. The experiments conducted on Polaris Dawn could lead to breakthroughs in fields ranging from medicine to material science. Who knows? The cure for a disease or the key to more efficient energy production might come from research conducted in microgravity. But perhaps most importantly, missions like Polaris Dawn are expanding our perspective. As more people experience the overview effect, that profound shift in awareness that comes from seeing Earth from space, It could lead to a greater collective commitment to protecting our planet and working together to solve global challenges. Of course, with great progress comes great responsibility. As we venture further into space, questions about space debris, resource utilization, and even space law will become increasingly important. How we address these challenges will shape the future of humanity's relationship with the cosmos. As we wrap up our cosmic journey today, I want you to take a moment and really let this sink in. We are living in an age where ordinary people are doing extraordinary things in space. The final frontier is becoming more accessible than ever before. What are your thoughts on this new era of space exploration? Are you excited about the possibilities? Concerned about the challenges? Drop a comment below and let's get a discussion going. And if you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your space-loving friends. Remember, the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. Every mission, every breakthrough, every small step into space is a giant leap for our species. Who knows? Maybe someday you'll be the one taking that historic spacewalk. Until next time, keep looking up, keep dreaming big, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The universe is waiting for us. Let's go explore it together.